discussing about the continuation part of previous class. That is second question. The question is, write the first four terms of the arithmetic progression. You should write down its first four terms of the given arithmetic progression. When the first term A and the common difference D are given, they are given some values like A and D. They are given first term and common difference of respective AP arithmetic progression. You should find out or write down first four terms of the given AP's arithmetic progressions. So here first one, before going to find out the four terms of the any AP, you know that how to find out the terms in the arithmetic progression. How to find out the any term in an arithmetic progression? By using what? By using the general form of an arithmetic progression. If you find out 20th term, then what is the general form of 20th term of an arithmetic progression? A plus 19D. 19D is the general form of 20th term of an arithmetic progression. So similarly, first question, they are given the first term is 10 and common difference is also equal to 10. We know that the general form of first four terms of an arithmetic progressions are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. So these are the first four terms, general form of first four terms of the given AP. Then find out one by one. What is A? Here A is 10. Then what is second term? So the second term is A plus D. A plus D is equal to A is 10. Then D is also equal to 10. That means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So second term of the AP is 20. Then what about third term? A3. The general form is A plus 2D. That means A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. So 10 plus 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 3 or 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Then coming to fourth term, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. This is equal to, these are the general forms of the given term of an AP. So A is 10 plus 3 of D is also equal to 10. So 3 tens are 30, 30 plus 10, 40. Therefore, first four terms of the given AP whose first term is 10 and the common difference is also equal to 10 are 10, 20, 30 and 40. These are the first four terms of the given values. Then moving on second question. Here A is equal to minus 2 and common difference is Z. I already told you, if the common difference is equal to 0, then what happens in the given A? If the common difference is 0, then the terms present in an arithmetic progression remains same or same values. It occurs same terms, same numbers. So let me find out some four terms in the given AP. So first term is A and common difference D is 0. We know that A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D are the four terms of an arithmetic progression. Then what about A? A is equal to minus 2. They are given the first term. So first term is minus 2. Then what about second term? A2. A2 is equal to A plus D. So here A is minus 2. Then what about D? D is 0. So minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. So then a3, third term, a plus 2 into d, this is equal to minus 2 plus, because a is minus 2, plus 2 of d is 0, this is equal to 2 zeros are 0, so then 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Then fourth term, a plus 3 into d, this is equal to minus 2 plus 3 of 0, this is equal to 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus minus 2 is equal to 9. I already told you in the previous class, if the common difference of any AP is equal to 0, then that AP should be remain same, or it has same kind of numbers. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 are the first 4 terms or first any terms of an arithmetic progression. So these are two questions. Then going on remaining questions. Then third one, a is equal to 4 and d is equal to minus 3. Then fourth one, a is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 1 by 2. Then last one, fifth one, a is equal to minus 1.25, d is equal to minus 0.25. So similar solutions here. You should follow the same steps in the previous problems. A is equal to 4, that means first term is 4 and the common difference is minus 3. So we know that here a is equal to 4, that means first term is also equal to 4. Then what about a2? a2 is equal to a plus b, this is equal to a is 4 plus b is minus 3. So a plus into minus, then 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Then a3, third term, a plus 2d, this is equal to, here a is 4 plus 2 of d. What is d? Minus 3. So plus 2 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 6. Then 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. So third term is minus 2. Then fourth term, a plus 3d. This is equal to 4 plus 3 of minus 3. So a 4 plus into minus, 3 3s are 9. Then 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. So these are the first 4 terms of the given arithmetic progression, whose first term is 4 and the common difference is minus 3. Whose terms are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Then next question. If the first term of the arithmetic progression is minus 1 and common difference is 1 by 2, that means half. So a1 is equal to minus 1, that means first term, it can be denoted by using a or a1, both are same. So then a2, this is equal to a plus d, then a is minus 1 plus d is 1 by 2. This is equal to addition of a negative integer and a fraction, proper fraction. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 here divided by 2. So minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 1 divided by 2 is the answer. So then third term, a plus 2d, this is equal to, here a is minus 1 plus 2 of 1 by 2, because common difference is 1 by 2. So 2 get cancelled out. This is equal to minus 1 here plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, this is equal to 0. Then fourth term a4, this is equal to a plus 3d, this is equal to minus 1 plus 3 of 1 by. So this is nothing but minus 1 plus 3 ones are 3 by 2. Then simplify this value, we get 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus 3, 1 by 2. So here the terms of the arithmetic progressions are, our first four terms of the arithmetic progressions are minus 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2 are the first four terms of the given arithmetic progression. So moving the last question, a is equal to minus 1.25 and common difference b is equal to 0.25. So here the solution for last question. So a1 that is equal to a minus 1.25. Then a2 second term, this is equal to a plus d, this is equal to minus 1.25 plus of minus 0.25, this is equal to minus 1.25 plus into minus 0.25. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. 1.25 plus 0.25, 1.50. Minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 is the answer. Then third term, a plus 2d, this is equal to a is minus 1.25 plus 2 of ld is minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 plus into minus 2 into 0.25. So 2 into 0.25 is nothing but 0.5. So 0.5. So then what is the sum of these two negative integers? This is equal to minus 1.25 plus 0.5, 1.75. Should find out or simplify this kind of decimal expansions in your own. So then fourth one, a plus 3d. So a is minus 1.25 plus 3 of minus 0.2. Minus 0.2. So a minus 1.25 plus into minus. So then what is the product of 3 and 0.25? So we know that 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 0s are 0. That means 0.75. So what is the sum of this minus 1.25 and 0.75? So 1.25 and 0.75 is nothing but minus 2.0. That means 2. 2.0 or 2, both are same. Minus 2, sorry, minus 2, not plus 2, minus 2, both are same. So here the list of numbers are minus 1.25, minus 1.5, minus 1.75 and minus 2. So these are the first four terms of the given AP. So then moving on, next question. Third question. For the following APs, So here some questions are first one 3 1 -1 -3. Then second question -5 -1 3 7. Then third question 1/3 5/3 9/3 and 13/3 and so on. Then fifth question 0.6 1.7 2.8 and 3.9 and so on. So write the first for the following APs. These four list of numbers or forms an AP arithmetic progression. These are all arithmetic progressions. You should write down their first term and the common difference. So first one, solution for first one is, here the first term is 3. It is very easy to identify the first term of any AP. The term present in first position, that is the first term of an arithmetic progression. You already know about it. Then what about common difference? D is equal to A1, A2, A3, A4. You should find out any one relation because these are already in AP. So you just find out any one relation. That's it. So A2 minus A1. This is equal to A2 is 1 minus 3. So the common difference is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is the common difference. Then second one, here A is equal to minus 5. Then what about common difference? D is equal to A2 minus A1. This is the relation for common difference. The difference of any term and its preceding term. So here D is equal to A2 is minus 1 minus of A1 is minus 5. Minus of minus 5. We put minus here because first term is minus 5. First term is negative integer. So here D is equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 5. This is equal to 4. So the common difference is 4. So this is the answer for our second question. Then moving on third question. Here the first term is 1/3 and then common difference is A2 minus A1. This is equal to A2 is 5/3 minus A1 is 1/3. So D is equal to, if the denominators are same, you can easily subtract any fractions by subtracting their numerators. 5 minus 1 4. 4/3 is the common difference. So then fourth one 0.6 1.7 2.8 3.9 and so on. So here first term is 0.6 and then common difference is 1.7 minus 0.6. So here common difference is equal to, because A2 minus A1. So 1.7 minus 0.6, this is equal to 1.1. This is the common difference of last arithmetic progression. So these are the two main questions in exercise 1.1. Hope you understand today's class. You just watch these videos, because when you can't able to understand these type of questions, you should pause the video and watch it again and again. Then you should realize these questions properly. So that's it for today's class. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.